you spending a lot of time at home this summer? Are you stuck at home with your kids every day? I'm gonna show you how to make a nice, interesting, fresh margarita so you don't have to go out and hit the cocktail bars. You can just do it yourself. Lately, I've been doing a lot of strawberry, orange, watermelon and cucumber margaritas, any combination of pineapple and watermelon. But today we're gonna try something a little more unique. We have these beautiful kiwis, and we've got some aloe. And this is the first time I've ever used aloe, although I've used aloe in a liqueur. We're going to check it out and see what happens. This is gonna be a low-key time, making an aloe margarita. First, we remove all the sharp edges of the aloe and make sure there's no yellow liquid. We removed all that. We easily just cut down until you get that beautiful gel inside. That's kind of what you want. The aloe, we then put it into a saucepan and mix it with a little sugar and just kind of brought it up to a simmer like you're making an aloe simple syrup. We've got these beautiful kiwis. Save a couple slices for garnish. Dust them with a little tajin. Put those on the side. This kiwi is nice and ripe. Kind of chop it up. I have a muddler here, but you can make this drink in any drink that needs muddling. You can just shake it with ice really hard. It's almost the same effect. The aloe's got a little savory bitterness going on, so it should be a pretty interesting combination. Let's start with our chopped up kiwi. We'll kind of measure out about 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'll give you the recipe for 2 drinks. How's that? 4 tablespoons of kiwi. If you've ever peeled kiwi, it's really not that hard. You gotta have one of these Y-shaped peelers. It makes everything so much easier. In the shaker, we got some fresh kiwi, some fresh lime. I need to use a little bit of a lime squeezer to get it to come out a little more effectively. 2 drinks, I'll just do 2 limes. You can do lemon, you can throw a little orange in there to more of a margarita. Margaritas contain orange liqueur, but 3/4 of an ounce. Right in there. We'll do some Blanco Tequila. This is my go-to mixer tequila. Almost find it at any supermarket here in the Valley of the Sun, Phoenix area. It's pretty much everywhere. There's a good 2 ounces. This is a great affordable tequila. You can do a splash of mezcal, or you can even throw a vintage tequila in there. I mean, what a fun ingredient to experiment with. I've got my shaker, I've got the fresh kiwi. We can muddle that a little bit. We've got the aloe syrup and fresh lime and a good amount of tequila. You can always make it spicy. A lot of people love spicy margaritas. I've got this interesting shisito peppers. So if you want, you can just kind of throw in a couple slices in a nice full shaker of ice. That looks beautiful with the shisitos. Hey Zeus, you're next. When you break the seal on these shakers, if you happen to, you want to hit it where the shaker meets the side. That's where you get your angle to separate them. Even bartenders I know get stuck doing that sometimes. I've got some glasses I chilled down here. Take a little slice of lime, go halfway around and into some tajin, which is available at most Mexican markets, but the tajin is definitely gonna add some fun and flair and zestiness. It's made with dried limes and it's pretty well known nowadays, but it's absolutely delicious. So if people want salt, they can have regular salt. A little sweet, a little savory. Nowadays you can find these Boston shaker sets on Amazon, and they're some of the best ones you can find anywhere. Got this beautiful golden kiwi, a little aloe in there, got some kiwi slices, and maybe one of these. Do a little chili pepper on there. I also highly recommend a little bit of mezcal on top. This is Mezcal Verde Momento. Got that from Old Town Tequila in San Diego, my go-to for having tequila and mezcal shipped right to the house. Agave Straw Company, making biodegradable straws. Easier sipper.